Hello everyone, I decided to make this video to help others who might need help installing Honda Magna carburetors, Super Magna carburetors. The first method seems to be the most popular or available on YouTube. It involves using a ratcheting tie down around the carburetor in way that you're kind of pulling them back, and the rear carburetors would already be almost all the way in, and the aim is to pop in the front carburetors to engine 2 and engine 4 using a couple of crowbars and leveraging the top of the carburetors and the frame to actually push them down. But I found this method to be more cumbersome, even somewhat dangerous, and less practical than the second method, which I used a couple of times and had much better luck with. And that involves positioning the boots as seen in the diagram. You can lube them up using some sort of silicone grease or engine oil if you need to, but as long as the boots are in good condition, all you really need is a pair of good mechanics gloves, so you don't hurt your hands, and just one quick, sudden, powerful motion. You just push down on the carbs and you pop all 4 carburetors in at the same time, and it's much easier than the first method in my experience. You can actually come from the front of the bike and lean down, or you can come from the back of the bike, almost like in the normal riding position, and push them down. Make sure the angle that you're pushing down the carburetors is the center between the front and the rear carburetors. And the key thing is to make sure the boot clamps are positioned in a way that they will not interfere or get in the way of carburetors sitting properly in their grooves, in their boots. If you need to soften your carburetor boots, which is very important, they have to be pliable. You can use 1:5 ratio, 1:4 ratio of wintergreen oil and alcohol, and you leave them in that solution for 3 to 4 days, and they should be good to go. See right here, you can see after the initial push that I popped them in, but there's a little bit of a gap still, and now I'm focused on that and actually applied more pressure to sit it in place properly. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.